Hello friends, this is Sanjeev Giri presenting Python classes for you. Today I am going to tell about charts in Python. First, we have to install Matplotlib in our computer. Suppose we are create a chart for the classes and number of students. First, go to the file and create a new file. Here type import Matplotlib.pyplot as PLT. Then we are defining a class X is equal to, in the bracket, suppose class 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. Here 6 to 12 there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 classes, and the strength in the class for y is equal to, in the bracket, class 6 130 students, class 7 120, class 8th 135, class 9th 130, class 10th 150, class 11th 110 and class 12th 90. Next, here title plt dot title in the bracket type class strength. Second, plt dot xlabel. Xlabel in the bracket class and next plt dot ylabel in the bracket number of students. Number of students. Now plt dot bar in here x comma y. Then plt dot show. Look here, this is x for the class, this is y for the number of students. Okay, now run your program. First you save your program, any name, then your bar chart is complete. Look here, this is a blue color. Okay, in the chart blue color is default. If you change your chart, change only here barh. Okay, then run your program. Look here, your chart is changed. Okay, now next chart is plot, P-L-O-T, plot. This is your chart name. Now run your program. Then this is show the plot chart. Okay. In here, next is box plot. So here type box, then use the run. So it create a box plot in your system. Okay. And next we are using a scatter. S-C-A-T-T-E-R, scatter. So here it display a scatter chart. Okay friends, now this point is clear. By moving next step in program, here using a barh, barh, then this is your X, that means class, and Y, that is number of student. Then we are using a color, color. Color is equal to any color. Now red. Then width, we are using a width in here, 0.50. Okay. Now run your program. Look here. This is your chart. First we are using a title, second number of students, this is your class, and this is your bar graph. Okay. I think everything is clear. So we are using different type of chart in here. First we are using a bar chart. In the second we are using a barh, B-A-R-H, bar for horizontal. Third, plot chart. Fourth, box plot. And fifth, scatter. Okay friends, we are using these charts in this program. Everyone use these charts in your system. Then I type the name, barh, plot, box plot, and scatter. This is the single line comment. Okay. For the hash is the single line comment. Okay. Okay friends, I hope everything is clear to you. Now I am going to over my program. Okay, thanks.